Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll show us how you can add or remove a payment card on the Temu app, alright? So definitely you will need to use your payment card whenever you're about to order on the Temu app. It's either you pay via your credit card or your debit card, or you can pay through PayPal. Now, all you need to do is this. Click on the U icon, then you click on this hexagon sign right here, then you click on payment method. And I already have a card added, but I'm going to show you how to add another card, or you can just add a card if you don't have any at all. Click on this add card and then enter your information. After you're done, you click on the add card, and that is it. If everything you entered is correct, then the card will be added. Now, let's say you already have a card here and you're done with your payments and you don't want the card to be on the Temu app. This is all you need to do. Click on the card itself, click on edit, and then you can either edit the card or you delete the card. Simply click on delete, and just like that, the card is gone. You can choose a reason for your decision. I'll choose card expired and confirm, and the card is gone. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.